In today's video, we are going to show you what Disney Plus household means, why this message appears, and how to fix it fast so you can get back to streaming. Let's begin. Disney Plus household is a group of devices that regularly stream Disney Plus from the same primary location, usually your home Wi-Fi. Disney Plus uses this to prevent account sharing outside your household. That's why if you see this message, you might be streaming from a new location, or maybe you have switched Wi-Fi networks. Or maybe you are using Disney Plus while traveling, or maybe someone outside your home is using your account. Now, to fix this problem, you don't need to click the Create an Account. Instead, select the Update Household, confirm your current location, connect to your home Wi-Fi. Now, you need to check your email and enter the verification code sent by Disney Plus. This sets your current location as your official household. After that is verifying the device. Enter the one-time code sent to your email and then start streaming immediately. Once you've done that, basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.